Imagine you had an AI worker that could finish 2 months of coding work in just one day. That's not a guess. That's what happened at Stripe last week using a new AI model. The model is called Claude Fable 5. Today I'll explain what it is, why it's so good, and where you can use it. Let's go. Claude Fable 5 is the newest AI model from a company called Anthropic. It came out on June 9th, 2026. It is the most powerful Claude model that regular people can use today. Think of older AI models like a helpful assistant. They can answer your questions and write short emails. Claude Fable 5 is more like a senior engineer. It can work on long, complex tasks for hours without losing focus. Here is the Stripe example. Stripe had a huge code base, 50 million lines of old code that needed to be moved to a new programming language. Doing this by hand takes about 2 months. Claude Fable 5 did it in one day. That is the kind of jump in power we are talking about. So what is Claude Fable 5 best at? 4 things. 1. Coding, long projects, big migrations, real software work. 2. Knowledge work, reading reports, doing financial analysis, summarizing complex topics. 3. Vision. It can look at a screenshot or a chart and pull out the information. 4. Science. It is helping researchers design new proteins and find new drug candidates 10 times faster than before. Welcome back. Now let's talk about how Claude Fable 5 actually works for you, what it costs, and how to start using it. Claude Fable 5 has a special feature called long memory. Older AI models forget what you talked about earlier in a long chat. Fable 5 can hold millions of words in its memory at once. So you can give it a giant project and it will remember every detail from start to finish. Anthropic also added safety guards. If you ask it something risky, like how to hack a system or how to make a dangerous chemical, the question gets sent to a safer model called Claude Opus 4.8 instead. This happens automatically only in less than 5% of conversations. Now the cost. Claude Fable 5 costs $10 for every 1 million words you send in, and $50 for every 1 million words it sends back. That sounds expensive, but for a complex task that would take a human 2 months, paying a few $100s in AI costs is a huge saving. Where can you use it? 4 places right now. The Claude API directly, Amazon Bedrock on AWS, Vertex AI on Google Cloud, and this is great news for us, Microsoft Azure Foundry. Yes, the same Foundry we used in episode 1 and 2 for our RAG chatbot. So here is my recommendation. If you have a simple task like writing an email or answering a question, use Claude Sonnet, which is cheaper. If you have a long, complex task that needs deep thinking, use Claude Fable 5. It will save you days of work. Next episode, I will show you how to use Claude Fable 5 in Microsoft Azure Foundry to build a smarter RAG chatbot. The same one from episode 2, but now with the most powerful AI model on the planet. If this was useful, subscribe and tell me in the comments what AI topic you want next. See you in episode 4.